Founded in 2002, NALCAB, the National Association for Latino Community Asset Builders, is the hub of a national network of over 140 mission-driven organizations in 40 states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico that serve hundreds of thousands of low and moderate income people. Our mission is to strengthen the economy by advancing economic mobility in Latino communities across the United States.
True to our name, NALCAB and our members are focused on asset building. We want to help members of the Latino community to build assets, to own homes, start new businesses, manage their finances, build credit, repair credit, so that they can advance economically. We view economic mobility as an agent for achieving social justice.
Members of the NALCAB Network invest in their communities by building affordable housing, addressing gentrification, supporting small business growth, and providing financial counseling on issues such as credit building and home ownership. Since 2008, with NALCAB support, member organizations have secured nearly $450 million for affordable housing, small business, and financial capability programs. We've directly awarded over $25 million in grants and have provided training to more than 2,500 practitioners. Through signature programs like the Pete GARCIA Community Economic Development Fellowship and our annual training webinars and workshops, NALCAB prepares next-generation leaders and empowers community development professionals with the skills and tools they need to best serve their communities. NALCAB works to ensure the Latino perspective is included in public policy discussions to boost the economic trajectory of Latinos in the U.S. and the economy as a whole. We are actively involved in research, national partnerships, and efforts to raise the profile of issues affecting our communities, as well as policy solutions to achieve diversity, inclusion, and economic equality. NALCAB has been a leading voice in making sure that COVID relief and recovery legislation target those most negatively impacted by the pandemic: Latino families, small businesses, and essential workers. We have also been at the table with policymakers on immigration reform, consumer protections, and ensuring robust funding of key federal funding streams that uplift low and moderate income communities. We are a respected resource for policymakers and draw on the expertise and experiences of our member organizations that are on the front lines. Additionally, we support our members in engaging with policymakers on ways to strengthen their local communities.
The way that Latinos are driving the recovery post-pandemic in this economy is that they actually never really stopped working during the pandemic. Latinos are the essential workers. They're the frontline workers. They're working in industries that never stopped, and they will continue to persevere and continue to lead the charge of growing this economy after this is over.
Even through the challenges of COVID-19 and the economic pandemic, the NALCAB organization continues to grow, expanding our programming staff and network reach, identifying new funding sources and partnerships, and serving as a leading economic voice for Latinos across the country. We look forward to working closely with our partners and member institutions to ensure opportunity and equity for all. Juntos somos más. Together, we are more.